Mergers, acquisitions, and organizational restructuring. Mergers and acquisitions, M&A, are among the most significant corporate events, fundamentally reshaping how organizations operate. Whether two businesses merge as equals or one company acquires another, these transitions bring both opportunities and challenges. Organizational restructuring is critical to ensuring efficiency, maintaining workforce morale, and achieving long-term success. This lesson explores the impact of M&A on organizational design, restructuring strategies, and best practices for a smooth transition. The impact of mergers and acquisitions on organizational structure. When two companies combine, they face immediate integration challenges, such as aligning leadership, streamlining operations, and managing cultural differences. Organizations must decide on a post-merger structure. 1. Full integration, merging both companies into a unified structure. 2. Separate divisions, keeping some functions independent but under a shared corporate umbrella. 3. Parent-subsidiary model, letting the acquired company operate independently. Key structural decisions include leadership hierarchy and reporting structures, consolidation or elimination of redundant roles, merging or keeping distinct corporate cultures, technology and operational system integration. A clear organizational design strategy is essential to avoiding inefficiencies, confusion, and employee dissatisfaction. Types of organizational restructuring in M&A. 1. Functional integration. Merging overlapping departments such as HR, finance, and IT, standardizing policies, processes, and leadership frameworks. Pros: cost savings, streamlined processes, and operational efficiency. Employee resistance, job redundancies, and disruptions. Structural realignment. Adjusting leadership roles, reporting lines, and decision-making structures. Redesigning teams to align with new business objectives. Pros: improved agility in decision-making. Cons: disruptions to workflows and internal politics. Cultural integration: addressing differences in corporate culture, management styles, and workplace expectations. Conducting workshops and training programs to unify teams. Pros: stronger collaboration and increased employee engagement. Cons: can take time and require active leadership commitment. 4. Workforce optimization. Managing redundancies, job role reassignments, and leadership transitions. Retaining key talent while restructuring for efficiency. Pros: reduced costs and aligned talent with strategic goals. Cons: risk of losing valuable employees and damaging morale. Best practices for successful organizational restructuring. 1. Communicate transparently. Keep employees informed to build trust and reduce uncertainty. 2. Align leadership early. Ensure that both companies' leadership share a common vision. 3. Prioritize employee experience. Address cultural differences and provide transition support. 4. Set clear timelines. Define milestones for integration and restructuring. 5. Monitor and adapt. Continuously track changes and adjust where necessary. Mergers and acquisitions can be a game-changing opportunity when executed strategically. By focusing on clear organizational design, cultural integration, and employee engagement, businesses can turn M&A into a powerful driver of long-term growth and innovation.